Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on factoring Trinomials Worksheet. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about factoring trinomials. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. And the next slide has the worksheet, and here it is. So here we have 8 examples. I'll leave this worksheet on for a short while before I move on to the next slide, which contains the answers, so you can see how you went. You can pause this slide obviously for as long as you like. And here is the next slide, which contains the answers. So there are the answers, and I'll leave that on for a short while so you can check how you went. You can pause that for as long as you like. And we'll move on to the next slide. Remember, you can pause this slide or any slide at all for as long as you like. So by introducing the rap song about factoring trinomials, Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music.